Hi, my name's Lawrence Baker. I'm the current Chief Operations Officer and Head of Manufacturing for TRT based here in the Waikato. We have a unique opportunity for an operations manager who's seasoned, who want to come and join our fabrication team. This person will have to have strong engineering background, have worked in a heavy fabrication environment and have strong people skills to manage a 60+ manufacturing workforce. So if that person's you and you're interested and you want the opportunity to work in one of the biggest manufacturing facilities in the Waikato, then listen for more information. TRT is now proudly the only on-road vehicle manufacturer left in New Zealand. From the moment the steel comes in the door, we cut, we bend it. We then weld and fiberglass it, and we also fabricate. It then goes to our paint shop where it's blasted and painted before ending up here in our assembly area where we assemble the product and deliver one every 13 working days. If you want to head up this division and you want to be a part of a manufacturing team that's the only manufacturer of a proud TRT PC28, continue to watch this video. TRT has been a proud manufacturer for 55 years in the Waikato. With safety and continuous improvement front of mind, you'll lead a team where we build bespoke trailers fit for purpose, designed for our customers in mind. Again, you'll need strong engineering, strong fabrication, and a will to walk the floor, do Gemba, and be interactive with our staff. So if this is you and you want a unique opportunity to become part of this team, I suggest now you click on the link and apply for the role.